So hi everyone, and this is my DT kit here, as you can see, from Fantasy Dyes. And these are all the glue that I have ordered from the brand. So this is the whole kit here. I'm gonna show you what all I have here. So let's go ahead. So this is the glue that I've ordered for myself, and it's really amazing. I'm going to keep this aside, and then I'm going to show you all the dyes that I have taken. So I've taken this dye here, then I have this one. I've taken this dye, as you can see, and this is one chipboard here. I'll show you later. And I have taken this dye. I have this one. I have this one, and these are all my favorite dyes. I have this one, I have this, I have this, I have this, and I have also taken this one. I don't know how I'm going to use them, but I have taken them, and I'm really liking this flower dye here. Then I have taken this leaf over here, taken this leaf over here, I have taken this, and I have taken this, I have taken this circle chain dye, and I've taken this, and I've taken this, and I've also ordered this, and then I have this one here. I have this flower dye, and I have this again. I have this leaf, I have this flower, then I have this dye. I've also taken this one here. I have taken this dye, another flower dye. Then I have this dye. I have taken this small frame here, which I can use. And I have taken this. I have taken this, and I have taken this. So this is all my dyes here, which you can see for the 6 months. And then going forward, these are all the chipboards here that I have got. So this is one bigger chipboard. Then I have this chain one. I have this macrame. I have this toad. I have this whole florals. I have this. I have this butterfly over here. I have this. Then I have this. I've taken this. I've taken this. Taken this. I've taken some backgrounds. And I've taken this chain one. Taken this bear. This. I've taken this clock over here. Then I have taken this number here. Taken this frame. Then another frame. And then this Christmas one. So that's it. And this is one complimentary from the brand. So let's see what I'm going to do with this. So this is all my DT kit. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.